What's up, y'all? We back at it again with another YouTube video. Today, I'm gonna show y'all how y'all can make y'all logos from scratch for the ones who don't want to copy and paste and steal other people's logos, want to be more unique with y'all brands. Today, I'm gonna show y'all how y'all can do that. So all you really need is a pencil, some paper, and all you need is like a laptop or iPad where you can design on and download Adobe Illustrator, because once you draw these designs, we're gonna move it over to Adobe Illustrator and we're gonna digitize them so you can have that logo digitized. Then after that, you can do whatever you want to do with that logo. And if y'all ain't already subscribe, hit that like button if y'all like the video, and go watch my other videos. Link in the bio to my clothing brand. We're finna drop February 14 on Valentine's Day, so stay tuned and let's get into it. Alright, so if you want, you can look up a reference. I'm gonna look up streetwear design for the letter O. So let me just pop up. Or just look up streetwear designs. But yeah, you can look for references if you want, but I'm not even going to use any reference right now. I'm just going to start drawing. Draw whatever logo that you think of. I'm drawing the letter O. Just a light sketch. it said we're just gonna make this our logo. After you got your logo drawn, you're gonna take a picture of it. After you got a picture of your logo, you want to get out, go to Adobe Illustrator, and we're going to upload it, create a file. And we're going to drop that photo in there. And now that we have that photo in there, time to trace it. Alright, so we got the photo. We're gonna lock that first layer. Gonna add another layer. What you can do, you can either trace it with the pen, or you can start out with shapes first. So since mine is a circle, go to the shapes, circle. That one's a circle. Start out with the circle. And we're gonna make that outline a little bit bigger. Go with a 3 for right now. Y'all see where I'm going with this. Okay, we got the circle. Now we'll go to our pen. And with this pen, you can add like little dots where you can move the outlining, the shapes and stuff. You get where I'm going with this. Yeah, basically, just make sure the lines is aligned with the drawing. Alright, so after you got the shape traced out, you can go ahead, delete that picture, got it traced out. You can add colors to it if you want. Start. Like stuff like that. Also change the outline, make the outline like yellow, whatever color you want. that. There you go. All you have to do is save it, export it. There you go. You have a logo. Save it. Save it to your files or to your images. I'm gonna save it to my files. So like after you have your logo, it's gonna be right here. That's how you make a custom logo. Alright y'all, let me know if y'all like this video. Like, subscribe, go follow my Instagram at HunnidproofX. Go shop, link in the bio, and tune in for the next video. And let me know what y'all want to see next. Peace out.